My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the new adware type application called HubComputing. HubComputing is the adware from the adload family. And this particular adware attacks Mac computers only. HubComputing adware displays advertisements that are really multiple and truly annoying. These ads are not related to the sites that you visit. So most likely this adware is spread through integration with some free applications, and many times users download and install it absolutely unintentionally. So if this HubComputing was found on your Mac, check your available applications, find this application, right-click on it and move it to the trash. Also, my recommendation is that you additionally investigate your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. It will help you to effectively detect and eliminate other threats. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download it, and start researching your computer with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.